Perfect. 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 Perfect.
Welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here, and today I'm back with Pride makeup series, and this is the day 4th. If you haven't watched my previous videos, you can definitely watch them later. There was one red, orange, yellow, and this is the 4th makeup look in this green shimmery smoky eyes, and I absolutely love. This is a very easy to recreate makeup look. So if you want to know how I created this look, you can keep on watching, but before that, please do subscribe to my channel if you are new here. This is Anamika. I post makeup related videos, and even hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I'm coming up with a new video. So without wasting much time, now let's get into this tutorial. Done with my base and my brows. Now we'll move on to the eyeshadow. I'm going to explain this part. It's going to be very easy. So yes, let's begin with the eyeshadow. So first I'm going with Makeup Revolution Temi X Tropical Carnival palette, and I'll be picking up this green shade right here, and we'll apply this on the crease area, blend it in the back and forward motion. Now to brighten this color a little more, I'm going with this another green shade, which is tad bit different from the previous shade. It's on the cooler side, and the previous one was little warm. So I'm going with this again on the crease area. So now I'm going to pick up this shade right here. It's a very beautiful shimmery green shade, and I'm going to apply this on the lids area just like a wash off color, because we are going for a smoky eye look here. And I'll be applying this with my finger. And now I'm going to mix both the previous shade and run this again on the crease line to blend out the harsh edges of the shimmery eyeshadow. Next, I'm going with this highlighter on my eyebrow bones and even on the inner tear duct.
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
So guys, this is the final look for this shimmery smoky eye makeup look. Now if you haven't watched my previous videos of this series, then do watch it. I have a red smoky eye makeup look, then there is an orange cut crease look, then there is a yellow eye makeup look, and then this is the fourth makeup look in which I have done this green smoky eye look which you have just watched. So this is a series in which I am doing all the colorful makeup look. Now if you don't know and you are watching this video for the first time, this is the Pride makeup series. You can go back and watch all my videos. I'm not related to LGBT community, but why not, let's do some colorful makeup look. So that's why I'm here doing such amazing look for you guys. And if you haven't subscribed to me yet, then do subscribe to my channel, even hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I'm coming up with a new video. And even don't forget to follow me on all my social media handles. Everything is just there in the description box. Even especially do follow me on my Instagram account because I'm doing 100 days of makeup challenge over there and I'm absolutely loving this. So that's it for this video. Do comment down below if you're enjoying this series so far, and yes, we'll see you with my next video. So we'll see you with my next video tomorrow. Till then, take care, stay safe, love you all. Mwah. Bye.